In this highly requested tutorial, I will be showing you how to create a scrolling text effect with absolutely no code in just minutes. So a lot of people want to know, how do I create a scrolling text effect so that it continuously loops and fills the page? Well, I found a way to do this from Wix, and that is by using full width slideshows. I've already done a video on how to do this, which I will link somewhere on this screen or in the description box. So you'll need to watch that first, then come back. So first things first, we need to create our text. So to do this, I will need to go to my Canva Pro account. You can sign up for a Canva account via the link in the description. Now that I'm in my account, I'm going to select Create a Design. And I'm going to choose a banner template because I want a template that has a shorter height but larger width. Now this is a little large for what I need it for, so I'm going to go up to the top left corner and click resize and resize it to one of my saved measurements. Resizing is a pro account only feature. However, with the free account, you can still size it however you need to. And then I'm going to go to the left sidebar and select text. And then I need my text to be a little smaller, so I'm going to decrease it to about 18. And then for my text, I think I'll put the counseling center is now accepting new clients. And then I want my text to fill the banner, so I'm going to add another part. And then I'll just add call us today at, and then give the number. Now, when you align your text, I find that it's best to align it to the left and then leave roughly the same amount of space between the two strips of text in the end of the banner. Now, if you have the free account, you can always change the background of the banner to match your site's colors. But I'll show you a much better way for this effect in just a few. Now for my scrolling text, I do want it to be white because I'm going to put it on a darker colored background. But of course, if your background is lighter, you'll want to keep it to a darker color. Next, go to share and then download. We want to download it as a PNG with a transparent background, so that way our text can show up anywhere on our site, and this is a pro account only feature. And then we'll download it to our computer. Next, we'll go back to our website. This is where I left off in my previous tutorial, and that is with the images in the slideshow. So we want to replace these images with the text that we just downloaded, and we can do this by going up to Manage Media. Once you're here, click Select All, and then Delete. Then add Media, Image, and you want to upload your PNG file by going up to Upload Media in the top left corner. I already did this prior to the video, so I'll just click and add to gallery. And then you want to do this a couple to a few times depending on the length of your text. And then done. And then I'm going to change the background of this section so that you can see the text. And then you want to decrease the size to roughly the same proportions as in your Canva account when you first created your banner. So there we go. And then we'll preview just so you can see what it looks like so far. So as you see, the text is scrolling, but when we hover over the text, it's highlighted in gray, and then you also see an arrow. We don't want that, so you're going to go back to editor and then click on your slideshow and then go to settings. The first thing we want to change is the layout. Scroll down to customize layout. And then the only thing we'll change here is the hover effect. We don't want it to pause, so uncheck that. Then go to settings. And we don't want anything to happen when we click on an item, so we'll select nothing happens. And then we also don't want a heart icon. Next, go to design. Then for overlay and icons, we don't want that gray overlay, so we're going to decrease the opacity to 0%. And then back to text. We don't want a title or description. And last, navigation arrows, we want this unchecked as well. And then you'll exit out of here. And that's it. So now we'll preview our text. Now, one last thing, we want to make sure this effect will look okay on a mobile device as well. So we'll click the mobile icon in the top left corner. Now, this is what it looks like on the mobile version without any edits. Now the font is a little large, so I'm going to go back to my editor and make some adjustments. And then we'll just decrease the height. And then I'll change the size of the background. And then go back to preview. And so now your scrolling text looks perfect for your mobile device as well. So that's it for the tutorial. As you saw, you can get this eye-catching and engaging effect in just a few simple steps with absolutely no code. In addition, there are tons of design possibilities on Canva, so you can get really creative with this effect and add images, emojis, and other elements. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time.